Cyphus guys making the shawarma around here. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's looking at shawarma guys. Cyrus chef from Bangladesh. Your chicken is very nice, man, no? You put what? Tomato? Tomato?
You want tomato?
No. Okay, put lang.
Tomato.
Tomato lagbo bay. Shamusha na bay. Oh my goodness, roasted tomato guys. Putting in my shawarma. Soya garlic mayo ba yan? Not too much, I don't like. Okay, this is only for 350 fils guys. This
Now finish.
yeah. In order for him to be happy, I will sing for him, huh? I will sing no Shamushanay, huh? Kemon Janoe Matangawa. Gusto mas happy. Chicken shawarma. So, know what is this one, bay?
Garlic mayo.
Garlic mayo and
Ketchup.
mayo ketchup. Okay. Sisi tahini. Tahini is an Arabic sauce. Shway. Itakajal jalni.
Hot sauce.
Soto jal. Huh?
Ketchup.
Little. Everything is there, huh? Simple shawarma guys, but it's delicious. Then they're gonna grill there. They're gonna grill on that platform there. Right? I will make advertisement on your shawarma. So you will have more Filipino buying here. More kabayan buying here. Right, so this is the shawarma shop of the T-Square in the GUDAYBIYA Zubara Road. Ayan guys, oh. Yan lang yung Zubara Road pala po. Yeah, Zubara Road in the GUDAYBIYA. Ayan. Marami ng tao ngayon guys. And yeah. Just making a shawarma there. Shawarma, oh. Ayan. Thank you bro. Bait niya, binigyan niya ako ng tissue. Ayan. Laki guys, oh. So big. Only for 350 fils. Wow, yummy shawarma. Okay guys, so Ki Shamusha Ki. Bye. Tumi kotai acho, ami kotai hachi.